Yeah, so I'm Alexis from Withings. We are a French company based in Paris. And today we announced a new device called Withings Thermo. It's a very simple thermometer, Wi-Fi thermometer. You start it up and you put it on the temporal artery. And in less than 2 seconds, it gives you a temperature measurement. It's going to sync it over Wi-Fi very easily. And it comes with a new application on iOS and Android devices. It gives you a timeline of all your temperature measurements. You can also manually add some information such as symptoms or medicine you took. You have also a very useful calendar view. So we think it's a great device for parents tracking the health of their young babies or kids. And you see, if you want to go to the doctor and gives a very readable history of the temperature of the kid, it's right here in your calendar view. The device is an infrared thermometer. It actually has an array of 16 sensors, meaning you don't need to scan when using it. You just put it at a single point on your temple, and it's going to find the hottest point and give you the temperature reading.
And what is the product price and the roadmap of the product?
So it's going to be available late March this year, and the price will be 99 euros. Compatible with both iOS and Android. So it's going to sync with HealthKit, Google Fit also, as soon as possible after the launch. Yes, as we do for all the metrics, so we also do bathroom scales, the blood pressure cuff, many devices, and we sync all the metrics with HealthKit.
And can you provide more value crunching other data? Like so this gives you the data of your body. Can it give you some insight about your life, crunching other data sets?
So we think temperature, it's really like the very basic health value that you can track. In our application, along temperature, you have some insight about what are the next steps for you. So if you have fever, for instance, I can show you another profile. If you have fever, we're going to give you some insight about what are the next steps you need to monitor to make sure you are not getting like sick or taking some actual medical risk. So we first of all focus about giving some insight and some information about your temperature. Now correlating to other devices, we're going to make these temperature readings available in our HealthMate application for you to see it along all your other health metrics from Withings devices. So in the same application, you're going to have your blood pressure, your heart rate, your weight, your sleep data, for instance. And we can provide some new insight, like combining all those data. But temperature, like it's not really like obvious to correlate it to activity level or your sleep patterns. But who knows? Like maybe in the future, there's some new insight to provide using temperature. Yeah.
And how many people are working on this product?
It's a large part of the Withings team, so we don't share numbers about Withings for confidentiality reason. But it's more than 1 year of work of a large team. So it's a very innovative and complex sensor. It's a Wi-Fi device. So Wi-Fi is not as easy as a Bluetooth technology. So it's a lot of work to integrate it. There's a very nice screen also, which is like a mechanical challenge to integrate. So yeah, it's a big effort.
And what is the lifetime battery of the product, and does it use
You can change the batteries. It's 2 standard AAA alkaline batteries that last almost 2 years.
Okay, cool. And anything you want to add about this product?
Yeah, so it's going to be available late Q1, end of March, in Europe and in the US. It's a medically approved device, so meaning it has a CE marking. It's not a gadget, it's a real thermometer, fully accurate and recognized as accurate by medical authorities.